let's draw the eye, and I'm gonna even include the eyebrows. So let's 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 just play with it. Let's see our. We can change it anytime we want. The eyebrows here, and here is about. That's the area for the eye. Okay, right here. Maybe move it a little bit to the left, and is there is one line up here, and then there is a line here. So one is between the two different direction. One is coming down from the bone structure over here, come down this direction, and the other, this one, is come out like this. What is the size of this compared to the size of that? You need to do a little measuring. I think this is a little closer from the eyebrows to here, and from here to this line, a little bit more distance than that distance. Try to describe the direction and the form, and then the eyebrows is about here, right, a little bit higher, right there. We're gonna draw a little bit the eyeball in here, eyeball in this area, and the corner of the eye starting over here. It's not that much distance between here to there. And I'm also going to locate the very highlight in here, and also have something, a dark circle, very dark circle in the middle. The line direction is coming this way. Using the cross contour line, you kind of suggesting that is just the movement. This part also going that direction smoothly, going that direction. But how dark is it? They're a little bit lighter than here, and this is a little deeper and has going this way, add a little more. And I believe that you should think that you can do the same thing. By first looking at, oh, this is dark area. So, but however, you're not just putting the dark colors. You want that whatever you do, the line, the shape, it's describing the direction of the surface. Okay, that described pretty good. And then I come down over here. That's a little bit lighter shape over here too. So I go in that direction, come down here. And what about here? Have a little light shape. What about here? And because this is pretty light, outside over here still has soft tone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm also going to go over with the direction of the line, but because this is not so dark, so they don't want to draw too dark of a line or too many lines to make it look too dark. Okay, let's adjust that. This, I think here still need a little bit darker line. Let's draw a little more in here. Understand, inside here it is a ball. So how we describe it? And you can draw it as the ball shape, like coming this way, if you like. But it should not be straight line. And what about over here? Curved line. Make the inside here darker. And it actually coming from inside. and going outside. And you can see actually see the texture inside the eye too. Okay. And I'm gonna leave the highlight over there, but I'm gonna draw it from the direction from the outside into the eye. And here a little bit lighter, and this side a little bit darker. So I'm gonna put a little more line on this side to make it look darker. And over here, the same movement too. Okay. And on the edge of this circle, and have a little a bit darker circle. So I'm gonna go with the second motion. Line around the edge. Going toward the inside. So this is much darker, so I'm gonna make that even darker right in the middle over here. And interesting, that is also much darker over there. And right underneath the eyelid is usually darker. Underneath here is also, you understand that is coming from a little darker over here, gradually turn into a little bit lighter, because underneath here also have a little curve shape over here. Using the contour, cross contour line, and you know this part has a little curved line direction coming here. Okay, coming to this side. So I'm kind of like a following where's the directions of that surface going. Okay, what about here? Yeah, the line actually starting over here, this direction, coming here. That is also the direction of the line coming from dark to light. Dark area using a little more pressures. When it is lighter, you can lift it up a little bit. The second direction of line to showing where is the motion of the surface is going to. And you know the eyebrows, you see all the little tiny hair on eyebrows, and going this way. A little lighter at the left end. On this side, you can see the hair. This way. And this over here, still need a little bit darker. Here, need a little bit more definitions, a little darker. And there is just the hair under the eyelid, and you can see that close enough. Right, you can see that. Draw the hair. If you don't see it, don't draw it. And actually you can see some over here coming up. A little bit over here. And under here, you still see some. You probably can see the same thing on your own eye. I think this should be darker. It's not dark enough. You can do the final adjustment